technology. For more updates and details, please do like, share and subscribe.
Hello friends, welcome back with a new tutorial on MS Excel for the beginners. We are Team Inclusive Globe Technology and I am Oindrila Basu. In our previous two tutorials, we have learned different types of number formatting categories available in the Number tab of Format Cells dialog. And today we are going to learn about the features available in the next tab, which is Alignment tab, through Screen Reader NVDA and using keyboard only. As the tab name suggests, it contains all the alignment related functions. Let's start with the basic concept of alignment. Alignment means positioning of data within the cell, or we can say the location where the data is placed within the cell. In MS Excel, there are two types of alignments: horizontal alignments and vertical alignments. Horizontal alignment means left to right alignments and vertical alignment means top to bottom alignments. In Excel, the default alignment of number, date and time type data are bottom right of the cell. The default alignment of text type data is bottom left of the cell. And default alignment of all the messages are bottom center of the cell. I have prepared a small table having name and roll numbers of two students.
Roll A1, 1A2, 2A3, name B1, Jack B2, Jill B3.
Here all the roll numbers are bottom right aligned and all the names are bottom left aligned. Now presentation purpose, if we change the default alignment status, then we have to use the alignment features of Alignment tab. Let's see. To apply any features on the data, at first we have to select the data range. So I'm selecting the entire table by Ctrl A.
A1 roll through B3, Jill selected row 1 through 3 column 1. Quick analysis available.
Pressing Ctrl 1 to open the Format Cells dialog box.
Format Cells dialog. General format cells have no specific number format. Format Cells tab control number.
Now pressing right arrow for the Alignment tab.
Format Cells tab control. Alignment tab selected.
Now to go inside the tab, I'm pressing tab.
Horizontal, combo box. General Alt plus H.
This is a combo box to set the horizontal alignments of data. That means left to right alignments of data. I'm pressing down arrow to see the different alignments available here.
Horizontal, combo box. Left, indent. Center. Right, indent. Fill. Justify. Center across selection. Distributed, indent. Distributed, indent.
So, left, right, center, justified, etc. alignments are available. I am selecting center alignment.
Center.
Now pressing tab for the next option.
Indent. Edit Alt plus I blank.
Indent is used to insert a large space in between the cell border and the data over the default spacing. Say for example, if we set left alignment of the data, then it will be placed at left side of the cell near the left cell border. The default starting position of the data is considered as indent 0. Now, if we increase the indent value by a positive number, say for example 1, then it will shift the data towards right, or we can say it will move the data away from the cell border by making a noticeable gap between the cell border and the data. Now if we choose indent value 2, then the gap will be twice, and if we choose the indent value 3, then this gap will be thrice, and so on. Similarly, if we decrease the indent value, then it will come closer to the left border. This option is applicable only for left, right and distributed alignments. Pressing tab for the next option.
Vertical, combo box. Bottom Alt plus V.
Combo box for the vertical alignments. Pressing down arrow to see the available alignments.
Top, center, bottom, justify, distributed.
Top, center, bottom, etc. alignments are available. I'm choosing center.
Justify, bottom, center.
Now, to apply the selected alignments, we have to either press OK button at the bottom of the dialog box or we have to press Enter. So I'm pressing Enter key.
Book 1 Excel, Sheet 1 Table, a 1 roll through B3, Jill selected row 1 through 3 column 1.
Now all the data of this table are horizontally as well as vertically aligned at center. We can check the alignment of the data of a single cell by NVDA key and F. I am in the A3 cell.
2A3.
Now I am checking the formatting of this cell by NVDA key and F.
Style normal, no border lines, Colibri 11.0, white on white background pattern, none align, center vertical align middle.
See, it is saying align center and vertical align middle. In the same way, we can apply any type of alignment to our data. Next option in the dialog box is wrap text. In a cell, when a long text is written, then it is written on the same line. So it looks like it overflows on the next empty cells that are in right side. And if the adjacent cells have data, then the long text is displayed partially within its own cell. Now if we apply wrap text function on a long text, then it wraps a long text in multiple lines by increasing the row height automatically to fit the text within the column width. Let's see. I am adding address field to this table.
Roll A1, name B1, C1, edit A, D, D, R, E, and S. Address C1, C2, edit B, H, O, G, A, N, H, A, L, L, I, comma, space, B, A, N, G, A, L, O, R, E. C3, edit R, E, G, E, N, T, space, P, A, R, K, comma, space, K, O, L, K, A, T, A.
See the addresses?
Naganholly, Bangalore overflowing C2. Regent Park, Kolkata overflowing C3.
See, for each address, NVDA is narrating the term overflowing because the length of both the text are greater than the default column width. To fit these addresses within the column width, now I am applying wrap text. I am selecting the address column.
C1 address through C3, Regent Park, Kolkata selected row 1 through 3 column 3. Quick analysis available.
Pressing Ctrl 1 for the Format Cells dialog box.
Format Cells dialog, text alignment, text control right to left. Format Cells tab, control alignment.
Pressing Tab for the wrap text option.
Horizontal, indent, vertical. Wrap text checkbox not checked, Alt plus W.
Wrap text checkbox. I am checking it using spacebar.
Space, checked.
Now pressing Enter key to apply.
Book 1 Excel, Sheet 1 Table, C1 address through C3, Regent Park, Kolkata selected row 1 through 3 column 3.
Wrap text has been applied. Now see the addresses.
Naganholly, Bangalore C2. Regent Park, Kolkata C3.
See, NVDA is not narrating the term overflowing. So, we have seen wrap text function wrapping the text in multiple lines by increasing the row height automatically to fit the text within the column width. Here we have to know two things. The first one is, after applying wrap text, if we modify the column width, then text wrapping will be adjusted automatically. And the second point is, if the row height is fixed, then text wrapping may not be entirely visible. Wrap text function is good for wrapping a text, but in this case we can't place a particular information on the new line as per our requirement. Suppose we are writing an address and want to enter city name and pin code on the new lines. In MS Word, we use Enter key to start a new line. But in Excel, while we are writing in the cell, if we press Enter, then active pointer will go down on the following cell. So how can we start a new line within a cell? To start a new line within a cell, we have to press Alt Enter. I am writing an address in the C4 cell.
Edit E, S, P, L, A, N, A, D, E, comma.
I have entered the road name. Now I am pressing Alt Enter to bring the cursor on the new line and then writing the city name.
KOLKATA.
Now I'm again pressing Alt Enter for the new line and entering the PIN code.
PIN space 7000069. Esplanade Kolkata pin 700,069 C4.
So either by wrap text or by Alt Enter, we can create multiple lines within a cell. The next option in the alignment tab is Shrink to Fit. Shrink to Fit function reduces the font size to fit the data within the cell. To apply Shrink to Fit, we have to first select the data range. So I'm selecting C column.
C1 address through C4 Esplanade Kolkata pin 7000069. Selected row 1 through 4 column 3. Quick analysis available.
Pressing Ctrl 1 for the Format Cells dialog.
Format Cells dialog, text alignment, text control right to left. Format Cells tab, control alignment.
Pressing Tab for the Shrink to Fit option.
Horizontal, indent, vertical, wrap text checkbox, check Alt plus W. Merge cells checkbox not checked, Alt plus M.
Shrink to Fit function is not applicable where wrap text is active. So first we have to uncheck wrap text.
Wrap text checkbox, check Alt plus W. Space, not checked.
Now pressing Tab.
Shrink to Fit checkbox not checked, Alt plus K.
Shrink to Fit checkbox, I'm checking it by spacebar.
Space, checked.
Pressing Enter to apply Shrink to Fit option.
Book 1 Excel, Sheet 1 Table. C1 address through C4 Esplanade Kolkata pin 7000069. Selected row 1 through 4 column 3.
Shrink to Fit has already been applied. The disadvantage of this function is sometimes it makes the font so small that it can't be read. Alignment, wrap text, these functions are also available in the alignment grouping of Home tab. Let's see. Pressing Alt H for the Home tab.
Ribbon tabs, tab control expanded. Home tab selected, Alt H2 of 9.
Pressing Tab for the alignment grouping.
Home grouping. Cut button, cut. Copies. Format. Office. Font edit off. Font size at home grouping. Decrease fonts. Bold toggle button. Italic. Underline. Borders split. Fill colors. Font colors. Formats. Alignment grouping. Top align toggle button not pressed. Top align text to the top. Alt H AT.
First option of alignment grouping is vertical alignment top. Now let's see the remaining options by pressing Tab.
Middle align toggle button pressed. Middle align text so that it is centered between the top and bottom of the cell. Alt H AM. Bottom align toggle button not pressed. Bottom align text to the bottom. Alt H AB.
These are vertical alignments, top, middle and bottom.
Orientation collapsed. Rotate your text diagonally or vertically. This is a great way to label narrow columns. Alt H FQ.
Orientation we will learn later.
Align left toggle button not pressed. Align left. Align your content to the left. Alt H AL. Center toggle button press. Center your content. Alt H AC. Align right toggle button not pressed. Align right. Align your content to the right. Alt H AR.
Horizontal alignments left, center and right.
Decrease indent button. Decrease indent. Move your content closer to the cell border. Alt H 5. Increase indent button. Increase indent. Move your content farther away from the cell border. Alt H 6.
Decrease and increase indent.
Wrap text toggle button not pressed. Wrap text. Wrap extra long text into multiple lines so you can see all of it. Alt H W.
Wrap text.
Merge and center split button collapsed. Merge and center. Pick how to merge cells. Alt H M.
Merge cell we will learn later.
Format cell alignment button. Alignment settings. Don't see what you're looking for? Check out the full set of cell alignment options. Alt H FA.
It refers to the full set of alignment options in the Format Cells dialog box. So today we have covered alignment, wrap text and Shrink to Fit function of alignment tab. And next day we will learn the remaining functions of this tab. So this is all about for today. If you have any query then email us at info@inclusiveglobe.com. If you feel this tutorial is informative, please share it to your friends. You can also get the previous tutorial links in the description, and we are eagerly waiting for your valued opinion and a like. Thank you.